Guys, I wanna just taste this Coke. It's so rare, guys. And she come with a candy. And I put, and she is there. I don't know. She just like taste, and it's not worth it, but it's worth it. You see this? That is so tall, not small. Let's test it. It tastes like candy, the Coke candy and Coke. And also, it tastes some gummy worm, the yummy gummy worm. So tasty. So good. Taste this if you find this because it's so rare. It's so rare. This is called legendary. My name is